Namaste, I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making my absolute favorite lunch recipe, chickpea curry. There are many ways to prepare this dish, but I will show you one of the easiest methods to make it with minimum preparation. So let's get started. Heat a pan and add oil. Keep the heat at medium temperature in the beginning. Once the oil is slightly hot, add roughly sliced onion to the pan. Stir the onions so they are cooked evenly. Let the onion cook for 4 to 5 minutes over medium heat and stir them occasionally so they don't stick to the pan. After 5 minutes, look at the texture of the onion, slightly softened and translucent. At this point, add roughly chopped ginger, followed by garlic cloves and red chilies. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes over low heat. You can add green chilies too. It's always up to you to manage the spice level in the curry. Then add roughly sliced tomatoes, followed by salt. Adding salt will help draw out the excess moisture from the tomatoes, enhance the flavors, and speed up the cooking process. You can cook this over medium or high heat. You can also cover the pot while cooking. If you are new to vegan recipes, check out the description section to download my free vegan guide. After a few minutes, you will notice that the excess water has evaporated and all the veggies have softened. Turn off the heat and let this rest to cool down. Once it reaches room temperature, blend everything into a paste. This is to protect your blender. If it supports blending at high heat, then go ahead and blend right away. And if you need the puree to be creamier, you can always fry a few cashews before adding tomatoes to the pan, and that way you will get thick, creamier curry. Now it's time to add the spices and do a final assembly of the dish. Heat the same pan at low heat and then add oil. Once the oil is warm, add cumin seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, chickpea masala or vegetable masala. If you don't have either, you can add cumin and coriander powder. Then add onion tomato paste and mix everything till it's well combined. If the paste is too thick, go ahead and add some water and mix everything. If you are new to veganism or want to try vegan recipes, I have an online cooking course especially for beginners on Udemy. I have added a special promo code for this holiday season. Make sure to check out the link in the description section. Finally, add boiled chickpeas. I have soaked the chickpeas overnight for this recipe and then cooked them in the morning. This little preparation goes a long way. As I use chickpea a lot, I make hummus, use it for breakfast recipes and even in my salad. Adding some salt to taste, mix everything well and let it cook over low or medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. When you see the oil separating, it is an indication that the process is done. Finally, add some garam masala powder and freshly chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Cook for 2 more minutes over low heat and that's it. The quick and easy chickpea curry is ready. You can prepare this with different spices too and make changes as per the ingredients you have at hand. This is my favorite go-to version, but you can always create your magic in the kitchen. I love adding some lime juice to give it a little tang, but that's a personal choice. You can serve this with some white rice or even with parathas or chapatis. One of my guilty pleasures is to eat the leftover chickpea curry with some bread, but it tastes so good and I dare you to give it a try. Toast some bread slices and have it with leftover chickpea curry. It's scrumptious. But if you choose to eat it with some rice, slice some cucumbers and onion and they pair so well with this dish. So if you like this easy version of the chickpea curry, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.